how many of you work from home, or how many of you used to work from home and have gained those unwanted pounds? See, I used to work from home before 2015, and now I know why I gained a lot of weight, because the fridge was closed. And so now, based on my experience, I want to make sure that you don't encounter that problem that I had, because it's easy to gain weight, but very, very difficult to lose it. Today, we're talking about a problem that will arise because we are very comfortable at home working and making money, because that's what happened to me. Okay, so we're gonna dive right through the tips so that you can start applying them in your daily routines. Tip number 1, make sure to dispose of all the junk food at home. Chips, pop, all of those. You have to find a way to dispose them or give them away, because it's very, very easy to snack on them because they're just within close reach. Tip number 2, of course, you don't want to be hungry. Replace them with frozen fruit. I have a lot of frozen mangoes, frozen pineapple, which is my favorite, frozen avocados, frozen berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, frozen banana. All of these I have in my freezer. Like, I have loads of them. You know, it's so easy to be tempted to eat, especially when you're home and you think like, oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I deserve a break. Oh, I deserve a snack. At least have something healthy. So I have all of those in my freezer so that when I open, I just choose what I like. And also what you can have are nuts. Have different nuts. Like, I have walnuts, I have almonds, sunflower seeds even. I have those. And so they're just there. So if you're really hungry or you want to nibble on something, then you have those snacks. Of course, you're working from home and ideally you have your breaks structured. So make sure you don't eat when you're not on your break, so that you can look forward to your break and then eat mindfully your healthy snacks. Tip number 3, if you have a long lunch that's 1 hour, like, what are you going to do in an hour? So there's just a lot of time and you want to be productive, right? So once your lunch break starts, I would rest a little bit, like take 3 minutes or 4 minutes, and then I would do workout for like 15 minutes. That's a good way to also relieve your stress. If your work is a little bit stressful, then it's good to exercise and release that tension a little bit. 15 minutes is good. And then take a 10-minute shower, so you've already used 20 minutes plus your extra 5 before that, and then you can have lunch for 15 to 20 minutes, and you have actually just spent your hour really, really productively, and you're fresh and ready to go and complete your shift during the day. Well, I don't work from home anymore. I work in an office, and so we have structured breaks. I become hungry like the most part of the day. I'm hungry. But I have snacks, and I have seaweed crackers. I have my protein bars. I love peanut butter crackers or anything with peanut butter. I have my keto chocolate bars, and I have fruits. Next, stay hydrated. Drink lots of water. You can even have those lemon water, strawberry water, like fresh fruit drops there. And also drink green tea. Green tea is really, really, really good for metabolism and for your health generally. And coffee. You can drink coffee, why not? Just do not put added sugar, because that is the biggest culprit when you're trying to stay healthy. Check your pantry and go over everything that you have there. Anything that's gonna tempt you to even prepare that very high calorie or high sugar snacks, remove them from your pantry. There you go. So I hope that with the tips that I shared with you today, you are going to stay fit and healthy while you work from home. Who doesn't want to work from home? Like, it would be amazing to be able to work from home. But yes, the temptations are boundless. So just make sure you have that mindset, you have consistency, and you have the determination to make sure you're eating healthy. So if you think that my episode is helping you or that it might help someone you know, feel free to share and comment, because I love hearing your comments. And subscribe to my channel, and then that way I can continue to help and inspire you with my messages and with my workout videos. Especially if you want to try working out while you're working from home, check out my very quick dance workout videos, 4 minutes, 5 minutes at the most, and sweat it out and really have an amazing new healthy lifestyle. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate you, and you take care and stay healthy. Bye for now.